Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to another forecast or analysis on gold. So you see, yesterday I made this analysis on gold where I talked about the price pulling into probably this area and then I take a trade for a continuation move upwards. But actually, price made a deeper pull down because I didn't get an entry around it, so I didn't take any trade. And the price just pulled all the way down into this whole zone right here, and that was where it gave me a reason to take a buy trade. I took that buy trade, although the price, it took how many hours to move? It took about 7 hours to hit my objective, 7 hours 30 minutes, but I waited for it, and the thing, it just played out according to what I had analyzed, and I hit a 1 to 4 hour on this, and I passed my funded next phase one. I'll just put the certificate somewhere around this where you can see it. I passed the phase one, and this analysis was dropped here yesterday morning around this time. I dropped this analysis here yesterday morning, and an update to this trade when I took it was updated on my Telegram channel when I took this trade. So, if you are not following me, you are really missing a big deal. So right now, I'll just quickly talk about what I'm expecting today. So from the daily time frame now, what we realize is that gold is at an all-time high again. And whenever gold is at an all-time high, we are in for a very interesting bullish run. So let's go to the weekly time frame so that we can just see what it looked like in previous times. Now, when the price got to the all-time high around there, you see that it did not break. As since it did not break, the thing pulled back down. It got there again around there. It did not break. It pulled back down. The day that it broke that all-time high at this point, look at the move that happened next. And this is the weekly time frame, just so that you understand. Each candle represents 1 week of data. So you can see what happened after the break. See the move that happened for like 2 months straight. The price was just bullish. Now I consolidated here again, and by the time it was breaking this all-time high again, see the move that happened for another like 2 or 3 months. The price was just bullish. Now this was a new all-time high. The moment the price broke this all-time high sometime in February this year, look at all the move that happened. For like 3 4 months, it was just bullish. And now we are appearing to be breaking all-time high again. Although this week is not yet over, but we are appearing to be breaking all-time high again. And once this price closes above this place, that means we are in for another interesting bullish ride over the next couple of weeks or months. So now that we have that one at the back of our mind, then the next thing now is how do we trade? How do we enjoy this Milky Wave that is on the way? Um, we drop to like the 1 hour because most times you will not get deep pullbacks. You just get a little bit of pullbacks and continuation upwards. But first of all, it's obvious that we are bullish here on the 1 hour time frame. We have a very neat uptrend. So there's nothing much to talk about. It's just to pick points of interest, and my point of interest is going to start from around this point. I'm just going to use this. My point of interest will start from around this point. That's one point of interest. Another point of interest is going to be down here. So these are my 2 points of interest for today. So I want to see the price do. So what I want to see the price do is for it to drop down to this area and give me a reason to take a buy trade. Or drop down to this area and give me a reason to take a buy trade. Anyone that plays out, I'm going to be taking a buy trade on gold today. And to be on my phase two account, which I'll be expecting to see the price make another move higher. And depending on how high it moves, I might pass the phase two today because that's just 4%. I'm risking 1% per trade, which can give me 4% in a day, just like yesterday. So that's going to be what I'm going to be looking out for. I'm going to be looking out for the price to drop down to this area, give me a reason to take a buy trade. I'm going to take the buy trade, and I'm going to expect to take out my full TP on this trade. So that's going to be what I'm expecting on gold today. We see how it plays out. Follow me on Telegram so that I don't miss my updates on all this trade. Yeah, so that's going to be all for now. We'll see how it plays out, and till we meet again, have a lovely day. Goodbye.